Good morning. I'm so excited to have you guys here because we're going to Portugal. We've never been to Europe together. Honestly, Wes has barely been to Europe at all, so I'm really stoked because he loves history and I think he's just gonna eat it up. And I personally love the cafes, the food, the fashion, and I'm not a big history buff, but I am fully supportive of his desires to go see the City of Bones, which is creepy and insane, but we'll show you when we get there because obviously we're definitely gonna vlog it. So today we're gonna pack for a winter vacation, which it is winter in Portugal when we get there. I think packing for winter is one of the hardest things just because everything is so bulky. Like you have big coats, big boots, and they take up a lot of space. Of course, we're gonna be using Level 8, my absolute favorite luggage brand ever. The quality is pristine. I have some super cute outfit ideas that I'm going to show you, as well as like mix and match pieces that you can bring to make it look like you have a brand new outfit every day, but you're actually using pieces from like a different outfit. I want to say Portugal is going to be between like 40s and 60s. So that's what I'm packing for. We're not going to be in like the snow and the 20s. So please keep that in mind. I am going to bring some like outfits with skirts, and just know for all of those, I'm going to bring a pair of like fleece tights just to keep me extra warm. So let's pack. Okay, so this is the Voyager check-in in dark olive, gorgeous color. You can see I've definitely already traveled with it. So here's a few things that make it different and reasons that I personally really like it. It's huge. Like I need this space, especially for winter. Like when you have coats that are light, like a down puffer, huge coat, which I have, you need this space, but like it's light. So it's like, you don't want your suitcase to weigh 30 pounds and you're just wasting space. So these babies are worth it for sure. Also has a handle on the front, so it's like really easy to grab. Definitely has a handle right here too, since it is so big, like easier to pick up and move around. Also has the ultra wide handles, so I really like this. Wes prefers the one that's more narrow, I think because he puts his backpack on it, but I mean that's only for a little bit before we check the bag. Like our carry-on is the one that really needs to hold like the backpack or my purse, but I like the wide handle. I think it's really easy to maneuver, and it like makes it so when you're just like going, you can grab it anywhere. Anyways, these things roll so easily. Like it's literally smooth like butter. I am obsessed. I will always be obsessed. The vlog is going to be so much fun. Level 8 is doing a promotion right now for Christmas, and I'm going to leave the details of that below. You can always use my code at any time though. I'm going to leave that right here and in the description below. This thing is literally the size of me. Like look at how ginormous these compartments are. This is so much space, and it has this like divider built into it too, which I really like. Okay, so let's talk about outfits and the best way to mix and match. Here's how I do it. I don't know if this is different. I feel like some people have said in the past, like grab staples and combine from there. I don't do that at all. I put together the cutest outfits that I can think of, and then I mix and match. Then I'm like, wait, that skirt would also look good with that top. Or yes, these jeans with this sweater, or this jacket can look good with A, B, and C outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna go through all of the outfits that I've picked out, and then I'm gonna talk about mixing and matching. Okay, so we're gonna start with some burgundy outfits. It's literally my favorite color this season. Like I am so excited about these outfits. So number one, we have this sweater set with shorts. And of course I'm gonna wear tights underneath it. And then underneath these tights, I'm gonna wear thermal tights. So like I will be warm. The thermal tights they have in black, and they have like in a nude. So it does look like your skin, and like it's winter. Nobody's looking that closely at your legs. Like nobody can tell that you have like super thick tights on. Outfit 2 for burgundy is right here. So we have some light wash jeans, a burgundy corset top, and this gorgeous burgundy faux leather jacket. So this is part of the mixing and matching. This jacket would look gorgeous with the short set, and obviously would keep me extremely warm. I also am wearing the same pair of shoes in this. I have these burgundy heels, and I feel like these are just so easy to walk in because they're not that high and they're actually really, really comfortable. Next, we have another jeans outfit. We have these gorgeous black designer jeans. Like, these are so unique and I get so many compliments on them when I wear them that I like have to bring them. And it definitely like makes the outfit. I love these jeans and this cute navy blue sweater top. So this one I packed without a jacket, with keeping in mind that I'm bringing literally 4 jackets and I can like mix and match and wear whatever I want. We have this super, super cute, it's actually a skirt and it's a low rise skirt. So again, those tights are gonna come in handy here with a crop top. And this jacket is so cute. Like, I feel like when it's tied, it looks almost better. Just cause it like, honestly, jackets don't really show your shape very well, but I feel like this one is a jacket that can show that you're like shapely. Love that. All right, so now we have this gorgeous gray skirt, black lacy bodysuit, and this white coat is so freaking comfortable. Like, I have to bring this. I definitely want to be mindful of where I wear this because I don't want to get it stained, but I also think it's like really classy and elegant. It's a nicer coat and like it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, now last outfit I put together, this is outfit number 6. It is a pink outfit. So we have a pink matching sweater and skirt set, and I paired this with a super cute pair of pink kitten heels. And this jacket is heavy, it's wool, it's literally like keeping me so warm. The jacket does enough for the outfit. I am gonna wear the fleece line tights, but I'm literally going to be warm enough just having this jacket on. Okay, so now let's mix and match a little bit. So what I love about these tops is like they will go with anything. So I personally really love this burgundy top with the black jeans. Like, burgundy and black look so good together. And again, this will go perfectly with that burgundy jacket, burgundy heels, or the black boots. So we have such a cute outfit right here. It's different enough and using things I already packed. Okay, and now we're also gonna swap the black lacy corset top with the light jeans. So this mixes up the outfit. Like, it's literally a completely new outfit. I would definitely wear this with the wool multicolor coat because I feel like it just makes it like such a unique outfit and like they go together so well. Love these pieces, and I pair it with the black boots. Now we're gonna do the gray wool skirt with the pink sweater. Like, this is so adorable. So cute. So I'm actually gonna pair this with the light gray coat just because like the wool coat with the pink, we already have that outfit and it's like too similar, but with the light gray coat, it makes it a completely new outfit. And then the black boots. I feel like this is just gonna be so, so cute together. Again, just mixing up the outfits, like maintaining that on theme, cute colors, but starting from 6. Okay, so that is 9 outfits, which is like, honestly, so many. Like, we're literally gonna be gone for 9 days, and I know 2 of those days I'm gonna be wearing sweatpants probably. Okay, so I actually brought this just simple long sleeve top in a very neutral color because it'll go with literally everything, and it just gives me an option to go like a little bit more casual if I want to. So I highly recommend doing something like that, like grabbing a couple like casual neutral color bodysuits, sweaters, things like that, just to throw in when you have extra room, and that'll help you be even like more versatile. So this is 6 outfits, 4 jackets, 1 extra long sleeve top, 3 pairs of shoes, and literally I think I'm gonna have extra space in my bag, so let's pack it all.
Tell me all your secrets you hide inside. I tell you all of my feelings I have in my mind. Going in circles, it goes on and on. I'm tired of making it. And all of the things that I say to you, I feel like you take them and leave it.
Literally perfect. Like, oh my gosh. And it's not gonna be too heavy, so I could actually fit extra stuff in here too. Literally fits everything so perfectly. Honestly, packing 4 huge coats, like I wasn't sure, but it's amazing. Like, you gotta trust, and genuinely makes a perfect gift. I got these for my mom last year for Christmas and she loves them. She literally asked me for more. And I'm like, what do you mean? You have 2? But she literally loves them so much. And that leaves my entire carry-on for like hair, makeup, and then like pajamas, which the carry-on has a lot of space too. So basically just like shoes, accessories, cutie pie things in here. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can see the vlog when it goes live. It'll be live in like end of January probably, but I'm so excited. Don't forget to use my coupon code. It's right here as well as in the description below, and I'm linking everything in the description below also. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and an amazing Christmas. Bye.